Today we are here with another segment of Do Not Rewrite Your Huge Legacy System, and I'm going to be talking about a caveat, which is don't do it unless you have a solid plan. And I'm not talking about, I'm going to do this whole thing, it's going to take me a year and a half, then on Sunday night I'm going to shut the old one down and transition. I'm talking about business value and risk, meaning chances are if you have a system that's been sitting out there for 2 decades, your business has changed, there's huge pain points, but those pain points aren't generically spread across that whole system. There may be 1 or 2 or 3 areas that are particularly bad, causing you the most headache, causing your business to lose the most money, taking focus away from growing your business, and you want to tackle those first. And that's what I mean by a plan, is to assess what areas of this legacy system drive the most value, what areas are the most risky, and see if I can tackle the low-hanging fruit first. Again, if you're going to rewrite a legacy system, please just make sure you have a plan that is based on business value and risk first. Was that okay? Should I?